So I'm sitting here with Alex today, and we are going to look at one of the houses that they're doing some remodeling. His seller came to him and said, "I want to sell my house," but of course, Alex in his interview with the seller, he suggested some repairs for the house. Tell us about your suggestions to the seller and what we're doing.
Sure. So we are at Sienna Model. We're in Bellalago, obviously. And as Abe said, the seller wants to get this house on the market. However, it wasn't in condition. And so, in order to maximize the seller's profits, which is what we do, we did a walkthrough of the house and we realized that there was a number of things that the seller had to do. First and
A
foremost,
lot of stuff
yeah,
that we needed to do.
yeah, a lot. First and foremost, we needed to clean the house out. So that's what we did. You'll see as we go through everything in the garage that we took out of the house, put it into the garage. And then we're going to give a facelift to the bathrooms. All the bathrooms are going to get new tops, granite countertops, new fixtures, new sinks, new lighting fixtures, new plumbing fixtures. The entire house is going to get painted, baseboards, walls, everything. We're also going to redo all of the exterior lighting fixtures. We're going to put in ceiling fans in the bedrooms and new lighting fixtures throughout the house.
So basically, if the house was put on the market at the condition it was in before
Yep.
all this, what would you list it at?
Great question. So we were going to list it at about 315, but we figured if we put in about $25,000, we'd get around the 400, maybe low fours, based on what's selling now in the community. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll run the numbers again once our team is done here, but they're moving along and it's looking good, man.
Fantastic.
Let's
This
take
is
a walk through.
This is a great house. It's got a great lot and the backyard, lake access.
Yeah, 4-bed, 3-bath plus a den.
Awesome.
replace this door. It's broken. And look at that lot, man. That lot's gonna be amazing. Imagine a pool here, overlooking the water.
That's an Eagle Preserve across right there. And like Alex said, having a pool right here, you got plenty of room for a pool. And room for a dock right here. And that way right there is the amenity center and the boat lift. So it would take you probably 5 minutes or less to get there. Awesome property. If you want further information about this house or any house in Central Florida, reach out to us. Abe Mendez Realtor and Alex Vasquez Realtor. 631-926-2632 for Abe Mendez and
321-443-3483 for me, Alex.
awesome. Thanks for watching.